Thousands of Dallas residents have been impacted by COVID-19. Unfortunately, in addition to the pandemic, many people are now struggling with food insecurity. To aid in this effort, the City of Dallas, through the Office of Innovation, launched a food box delivery program. The Safer at Home Fresh Food Kits are for Dallas residents with COVID-19 quarantined at home. A nutritious mix of farm-fresh fruits and vegetables are sourced locally. Then, residents who are self-isolating complete an order form to have the food box delivered to their home. Finally, thanks to a partnership with Hunger Busters, a free box of food is delivered to their doorstep. Now, more than ever, there's a need for healthy food access for all, and this is just one way the City of Dallas is contributing to the COVID-19 recovery efforts. To learn more about the program, visit dallasfoodboxes.org.